watching if you CT.
One banana, one CT.
I'm watching CT.
Yeah, one banana, one CT.
Banana.
Like,
At a CT.
Or come banana.
CT's pushing me.
One planning. Like,
nice.
Last guy's planning. I'm holding. I don't know where he is.
Throwing fire.
Back off.
He's not bad. Probably could be the back. But oh,
nice. Oh, you're
Up
shooting
CT.
back.
I came in like a wrecking ball. You like that song?
Not anymore.
Incendiary out.
Don't overthink it, man.
Deploying flashbang.
Peace out, bitch. Mid. Nice! Good job. Fuck yeah, we are 2 up. Good job.
Decoys out.
Teach Jordan a lesson. Send him back to the pros.
Smoke.
Running down.
Nice, Zeppo. 2 more. Get them all, Zeppo. Get them all, Zeppo. Fuck yeah, bro. Get them all. Let him ace it. Let him ace it. Just spam. Let him ace this shit.
Get it.
Bomb is down, dog. Look where. Get him. Knife him.
I gotta reload.
We lost, it's over.
I was gonna knife him, but I don't give a fuck. Let's do this. Good job, Zep. You actually came in like a wrecking ball, bro. I'm proud of you.
Thanks.
But flirting with males? That's alright.
Throwing smoke. Throwing fire. Deploying flashbang.
Bad Molly.
Grenade out.
To be on the left side. Got him.
Nice, there you go.
Oh, good job.
One more. I'm blind. Oh, got him.
Nice.
He's on guards.
Yeah, that's
Molly,
my
Molly.
middle name.
Hold my T, sir.
I died. Oh, T-star 1. T-star 1.
Okay.
I just. How did I miss that motherfucker? Fuck this shit. Smiley, no scope. What are you doing, bro? No scope. You know how it is. Fuck. Oh, baby! I told you! See, the thing is, if you didn't have the op there, you would have died. He's there. I'm mollying them back.
One more. They're behind the molly. They're burning. He's making you.
Caution.
Bomb is down. Bomb is down right here.
Yeah, just wait. So they joined.
Oh my god, spot. What? How are we? Oh man, we should probably just add road, huh?
Come there.
Molly close.
That one.
Line him. Oh shit.
Oh yeah, that's all I can see. Get the ace.
I can't see shit, bro. I'm 30 health. I don't give a fuck about the ace.
Just keep it going. Okay, don't do it. It's close.
Let's go.
We're getting chased. He needs black up.
What's it looking
Coming
like
in
now?
hot.
God damn, they're in fuck, man.
Top.
Oh my god. Get my auto sniper, homie. I'm sorry. Kidding. Come on, kidding. Kill us.
Smoke me down, dude.
More here, there. I'm
Pushing pause on this.
flying back. Come back, crashes if you can. Hell yeah, baby. You don't look at them. What? Maybe not. I don't know what I hear.
Plant coffin.
Did they do
I'm
spawn?
pushing pause right now.
Hey, can they go spawn or no?
No. I mean, unless you
They're coming B.
Why?
No! 3 of them! Fuck! Why did it take so long to kill? I can't believe that. No. Both on CT and T.
And on both sides, huh?
Got him. Alright, one more.
Good shot.
Get him. Plant bomb.
Let's go. Fight him.
Plant bomb. I'll take it from there.
Oh
Where?
my god, banana.
banana one.
And spawn
CT
one.
guy's gonna be gush. I'm lagging like shit. CT and no.
Got this, Mo. 1v2.
God damn it. Motherfucker, man. I hate the fucking USP. I should have kept my fucking lock.
One more.
Is he pushing?
2B right now.
2B
2B
and
right now.
1A.
2B, 1A.
Hey, guys in halls. He's one health too.
I'm done. Let's go A fast.
Could go boiler on you.
I'm throwing smoke.
Oh, Boiler, bro, you were right there! Why are you not there, bro? You were just there! Why did he leave? Why would he leave? We just called Boiler. Why?
See apps?
Could be Boiler there, man. Could be bottom of mid. Don't try to save that. Oh!
3 seconds off.
You drop it.
I'm throwing smoke.
One's mini.
100%.
Yeah, there's it.
How he drop?
Throw a nade if you can. I'm gonna try to nade pit right now. I feel like Jordan's in pit.
Can you flash over 8?
Close left. Close. One's close. Lane. Close lane. Got him. One more lead.
He has to be big.
I'm light big.
That guy's lead.
I'm blind.
Wow, I'm so blind.
Nice. One more. Unknown.
This is lag.
Sight.
Bro, I'm fucking I'm lagged out.
One more.
I'm so blind. I'm dead. Dude, I lagged out. I literally just lagged out.
Alfred.
I'm ready to go through this if I smoke. Alright, ready? I'm gonna smoke off this. Oh, he's pushing in! Pushing in! Pushing in! I just saw him. I'm blind. You did him? Go.
Go. You got him?
Nope. Plant bomb. You have an op?
What's up?
We have 2 ops.
Smoking smoke.
Throwing smoke.
Put some banana, okay? One back home.
I am throwing a flashbang.
4 bullets. Let's win this. Got one.
Back on, last one.
Bro, we're nuts. I'm taking the AK.
I am throwing a flashbang.
Nice. We got 2 left mid. Let's just take it. One more maybe.
Flash from me.
One just cross to the right.
Boiler.
And one left. Let's go B. I'll get bombed. Nice. We shouldn't even over-rotate to B. Let's go A still, yeah? Or we don't know. Let's go together, wherever he is.
Guys be 100%.
No middle. And look at this team. I had the bomb by myself running up spawn. You guys left the bomb at our spawn. I don't get it, and you're all already gone into B. This is how we lose rounds, boys. That's how we lost that one round. Just trust your fucking teammates, bro.
Why are you yelling, bro?
I'm so mad. I don't know why. That one. Okay. Alright, who's stalling? Got him.
Nice shot.
Let's turn. Oh, come on. Oh, shit. We should have boarded. Nice.
E-box, van side.
Jail. Still jail. Just sitting there.
On your right.
Oh my god, I suck dick. Oh my god, why do I use that gun?
Yes, bro. They did Molly?
Molly down.
Ooh, one more left window.
Planning. Default.
Planting the bomb.
Top mid hurt.
You got an op?
Yeah.
No.
Go and do it to me. Nice. Drop the bomb.
I'm in. Two. Fuck, dude. Push.
Can you rush it?
I should have told you. Spawn. Nice. 1-on-1. Oh, never mind. I thought you killed the.
Popping cat.
You want
Popping
to
window. Lit window.
Yeah, in the sec, just went.
Got window,
Got
guys.
him.
Jungle's dead. One's on cat bricks.
Gonna take a shot at spawn and fall.
Okay. Stairs is open.
Spawn one.
One
Both there.
Con. Spawn dead.
I'm watching the throat. Got him. Is he on it?
1-on-1. No.
No. Opposite default.
Kind of for you.
Good job, bro.
Clearing across.
Flash
He's
her.
not spotted. He hasn't jump spotted. Upper B dead. Let's go. Are you guys coming?
With you. No one's with you. No one's with
I'm
you.
staying here. I'm watching just window.
I'm gonna grab bomb.
One's window.
One to be on cat. I'm watching market. Who just zoomed in? Fuck.
Hit twice.
Sight, middle sight. Both two guys here.
Two here.
Come back.
Oh, we got
I'm running
it.
in.
Yes, come back.
2 here with an op. Op is here.
I'm going with you, Smiley.
Go, there should be 2B, 1 CT.
He's clean.
Time for his spawn.
One's
Right,
off in
triple.
cross.
One CT. Hold my CT.
Hide. Is he?
Span me.
I'm on cat right now. Give me a second.
Plan it in. I got him if he spams. Oh yeah, just stay there. Perfect.
I got your cross triple. Oh, he's on cat!
Cat.
Hide. Oh shit. Nice.
Cat, last guy. AK.
This is a scary, scary
That
round.
was spooky.
Stairs.
I'm blind. Where?
Cat. In the smoke stairs.
One stairs. Got him.
One more. I'll be in jungle, I think. I'm watching CT.
I'm gonna peek jungle right now. I see jungle. I'll kill him right now. Oh, CT. Fuck. Look at that, dude. Who's that fucking geek, man? I hate people like, look at that shit, man. I'm jiggling. He sees. Look.
Yeah, but...
Oh my god, where? Where is that? Where? Fuck.
Oh, you playing close? Playing close.
Could be close, yep. Let's kill this guy close and win this round.
Left flash.
He's the. Connector, get ready.
No firebox, I'm dinked. I'm falling off.
Triple still, I think?
One bottom mid.
On bottom. Got him.
Go mid. Spawn.
It's
I
like
think he's
triple or spawn.
Spawn, go together, go together. All of us, nice. Damn, nice. Not one death, hell yeah, boys. Ran.
Mid.
Flashing high above you, Mo.
Win out, win out. Win out!
There's like 2 mid right now.
Got one towards stat.
One close con. Smoke jungle. One's A ramp, 2 A ramp. They're up. One's
Nothing B, guys.
Could go through the smoke. I have palace.
I'm going spawn.
2 ramp.
Nice, Josh. Stay B, stay B.
Push.
One
Tetris
Tetris
and
con. One con. Just chill, just chill.
Fuck! I didn't know that. Fuck! That one.
I'm a hide window.
One's close cat.
Nothing
And connect one close con.
Palace. Why is he
Up
on
con.
the side?
Cat one. Hit. 10 health. Fuck, man. I just don't understand.
Throwing fire.
Flashing over mid.
Grenade out. Throwing flashbang.
B maybe?
B, fuck, I'm blind. No!
Bench, one dead. Another one. Close market, in market. Market dead.
Oh my god.
I think it was. I'm gonna hold our entrance. Yeah.
Good job.
That's right.
I literally can't believe what just happened. Thank god he does made that comeback.
Smoke side.
B or A.
Fall in.
Out
They're out.
Palace.
No, out Palace, dude. Nice. Nets.
Cover with mid.
Tetris and
Oh,
sandwich.
nice try, bro. Fuck.
One
I hope
spawn
we don't
on
lose
it.
this
Have
round.
an MP9.
I fucking had them too. I got shot from the guy that jumped out Palace.
Triple.
Planner.
Hold on.
Not triple. Nice job, boys. Fuck you. Good job, Nets. One's A ramp right now. Where's your gun?
Cat. Are you good, B?
One more B.
Okay, about to hold cross.
He was flashing. He hasn't crossed yet.
He smoked window or cat or something.
Can
Watch
you go?
out A ramp. Watch out A ramp.
You should watch cat. I got you up.
Yeah.
Got him.
One dead.
Check my window flank.
I'm just hiding sandwich, not
Only
watching
hold my
anything.
Flank, man. I don't want to die.
Okay.
A ramp.
Throwing smoke.
Upper B one.
Grenade out.
Upper B. God damn it! I fucking suck. Watch underpass. Next. Get ready. Next. Get ready for the underpass. Fuck this shit, bro. 70 and 2. Fuck this shit. Let's go. Alright, I'm auto sniping mid. When in doubt, whip it out.
Alright.
Josh, what are you doing? Up, yeah, perfect.
Fine.
I'm leaving middle. I left mid.
Coming your power. One more sandwich. Catch out A. Nice round.
Nets, bro, you're on one right now. I love it, dog. I love when Nets plays like this.
Nice.
Cat. Last guy. Ooh.
Ah.
5 health. One stop mid. I'm blind. One stop mid.
I can flash if y'all need one.
I don't see him yet.
He's about to pass.
I hit him twice. Woo, baby.
Oh.
Easy for ends, boys. Fuck yeah, we're winners. We're all winners.